Welcome back to Touring Townsends. We're Dave and Jill, and we spend as much time as possible travelling around the UK and Europe in our motorhome. We're spending January travelling slowly up the east coast of Scotland. We made it to the Moray Firth, and in this week's vlog, we finally get to Inverness. There are very limited options for places to stay near Inverness, so we finally settled on Ard Tower Caravan Park. It's a steep £40 a night, which it's not really worth, but the facilities were very nice and well heated. It does have some rather nice views over the Moray Firth, as it's quite high up on a hill, and there is a bus stop just down the road that takes you straight into Inverness. If you enjoy the vlog, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you're not already, and feel free to leave a comment. Morning. So our plan for today is to take a bus into Inverness and have a walk around. We've been to Inverness once before and it was quite pleasant, so we're hoping for a similar experience. North East Scotland is currently under a yellow warning of rain, but we seem to be outside of that, so fingers crossed we don't get soaked. Once in the centre of Inverness, we headed over to the River Ness and then walked out to Carnarc Point. For a short stretch, the path comes away from the waterfront and you have to walk through a residential area and then some industrial units before you get back to the water once again. Carnarc Point gives beautiful views over the Moray Firth, and you can see the bridge from Inverness across to the Black Isle. This area is all part of Merkinch Nature Reserve. We walked this last time we were here and we saw a kingfisher, so we've been keeping our eyes peeled for some wildlife. We were thrilled to spot an otter swimming in the water and running along the side of one of the lakes. This is the start of the Caledonian Canal, which runs for 60 miles connecting the North Sea to the Atlantic. It was built by Thomas Telford and completed in 1822. We headed back into Inverness to get some food and then did a little bit of shopping before catching the bus back to site. Next morning we headed off again, this time to spend the day in Fortrose.
Yesterday I was clever, wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I'm changing myself.
Well, this morning we've driven from Inverness about half an hour north and east to Fortrose. Fortrose is a nice little town. It's got 2 campsites, but unfortunately they're both closed at the moment this time of year. But we are feeling very lucky because we've managed to find a really good spot to park. We're booked into another campsite a bit further east of here at Cromarty for tonight, but we wanted to spend the day in this area. So here is our spot. We're going to have coffee, have our lunch, and then take a walk to the point.
You'll be the deer, be like a tree, let the dead leaves fall, let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way.
This area is a well-known dolphin spotting point, but not this time of year so much as they tend to come for the salmon.
Stars are seen in the dark, silence the mind. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way. Born to fly. Silence the mind. Yesterday I was clever, wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I'm changing myself. Let go of who you are, become who you might be. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings.
So we left Fortrose and headed to our next stop a short distance away. You'll see that on next week's vlog. If you've enjoyed this one, please do think about giving it a like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment. We're enjoying reading them and we're always happy to answer questions. See you next time.